Okay, so I got the hole drilled in the back right here. This is this one. This is going to be right up here. That's where it's going to be on here. That's where the hole is going to be, right here. So I'm going to go get my wood. It's the one on top. Doesn't take much, it's just a little bit, it's that far off. Okay. I'm going to take her. Oh, I know what to do. These are, y'all paying attention? Yeah. So, that won't go in yet. See what it went. Still won't go. It's about the thickness of the paint. I mean, it's whack it a few more times. There, that fits perfectly. Now, this is the important part. You screw the insert on here like this. Watch. This is interesting. Okay, where's the hole at? Can you see it? Alright, here you go. You screw this onto this all the way, okay? You don't have much room. Yeah, you don't have much room, do you? Here. You hold this and screw it out. You give yourself some room. You unscrew this out. Like that. Screw this all the way in so it's up against it, like that. Shove it in there all the way. And pull. Then you screw this. You unscrew this sleeve down a little more, and you squeeze it again. And you try and pull it out. Uh-oh. Then you unscrew it out. That's it. It's in there. You try and pull it out, it won't come out. It's done. and you unscrew it out. That's how easy it is. That's it. It's in there. There we go. Done. And so there it is. And then it's going to get the screw is going to go right through here. I have a washer and a screw that I'm going to paint black and put through here. It's going to hold it on there. That's where that one's going to be. I'm also going to put these clips in and slide it this way. I'm going to line them up. The good clips and the broken ones, I'm going to put them so it doesn't beat around in here. It's up against something. Try and slip them over these, but I doubt I'm going to be able to. Maybe the broken ones, but then just put the screw in here, and then I got the other one down here. See where the other one is. And then I got to drill the hole in it. I got to figure out where the hole is for that one. That's how you put those in. Now I have to figure out how to find the hole for this. I think I'm going to have to put a screw in there like that. Find the hole. Find where to put the hole, right? Where do you put the hole? So to find the hole, you have to put this over this. Let me get another screw. These are 1/4 20s. That's the thread of this thing here. So to find the hole, I'm going to kind of put this in place like this, like that. See, I'm going to paint it black so it's going to look better. But I'm going to paint it black so it looks better. It's silver. I have a big washer too that I'm going to put on here. I could just leave it like that and paint it black so nobody can see it. Fill it with rubber. That way nobody can take it out. Anyway, it's looks like it's about good right there, right? And then with the screw in here, this ought to be making marks on it. Is it making marks? So it's, yeah, it's sort of making marks. Can't really see them though. Oh yeah, see the little marks right there? Is that where it's, yeah, see the little marks, it's making little marks on it. That's where it's at, right there. If I get it right here, then I don't have to worry about it. So I'll drill a hole like right there. There we go. Let's see if it made it right. Right there is where I made the hole. Yeah, it's a bit of a tight fit for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, here, put this other one. Pull this other one out. Yeah, I was afraid of that. They're a little bit off, but it's okay. So you hold it in place and then you tighten it down. Like that. There you go. So yeah, it's plastic. Yeah, it's going to bend around a little bit, but yeah, you push it in so that you can get the screws down. And yeah, it's going to move around a little bit. There's a little gap here, but that's whatever. Anyway, that's how you do it. That's what it's going to look like. I'm going to paint this black. I'm going to push it up so it fits well. And then I'm going to tighten them down. I am going to put the other clips underneath it though, because I don't want to deal with those stupid clips. So I'll just do this instead. This will work. It'll be tight enough in here that it won't come loose. That's why I like it kind of in a bind so that it doesn't come loose. And then this one, since it's too far this way, what I'll do is I'll make this other screw just a little bit. I gotta fudge it just a little bit towards the end because I made it too close. Like about that. There we go. So now I got the screw on the other side. Got the screw hole made. So let's see. These are all down. Oh good, y'all are still paying attention. Let's see. There's that. And this is going to fit. Over all that. Let me get this screw started. You did go the right way, right? Oops. That was the wrong way. Oh, you're right. So, yeah, so I accounted for this, and the washer is going to cover this up, but I need to, oh, yeah, let's see how that's going to be. Yeah, I have to redo this one here. I did it wrong. Yeah, there we go. That ought to do it. Anyway, so I had the washer's going to cover that up, but I was afraid of that, so I bought a big fender washer to cover it up. Anyway, there's that one, and then this one. Yeah, it's okay. See, it's going to cover it up nicely. Anyway, there's the well, it's just messed up the way it is, so might as well add to the messed upness, right? Anyway, that's how it's going to look. From over here it looks great, see? And we're going to paint the screw black. So tighten that up and tighten that up. That's how they're going to look. See? In fact, I may not even need a washer. I might put a washer on there anyway, but yep. That's how it's going to look. That looks good, doesn't it? Looks good to me. Wait. Yeah, I'll stick those broken clips back on there and the good ones just so they're there. Looks good. That's the way it's going to look.